Hello, my dear friends. Today, I want to discuss about welding process. So, within this my small video lecture, I want to share you the basic physics of welding. Okay. So, it is the fundamental of welding. Welding is a material joining process in which two or more parts are joined at their contacting surface by a suitable application of heat with or without addition of pressure. So heat is required. Pressure may or may not be required. Okay. Why heat is required? Heat is required to melt the contacting surface and melting zone. Without melting, the two material cannot join. Many welding process are accomplished by heat alone with no pressure applied, other by a combination of heat and pressure, and still other may only pressure with no external heat supply. The important thing is no external heat supply. We applied pressure and this excessive amount pressure is produce heat internally in the melting zone of these two material. So heat is required. One thing, we supply heat in outer side and another process where internally the heat is produced. In some welding process, filler metal may be added. Welding is most commonly associated with metal parts basically, but the process is also used joining plastic also. Types of welding process. One is fusion welding, another is solid state welding. So what is the fusion welding? Fusion welding process use heat to melt the base metal. In any fusion welding operation, a filler metal is added to the molten pool to facilitate the process and provide bulk and strength to the weld joint. A fusion welding operation in which no filler metal is added is referred as a autogeneous welding process. So keep in your mind autogeneous welding process. What is that? A fusion welding process or operation in which no filler metal is added is referred to as autogeneous weld. The fusion category includes the most widely used welding process which can be organized into the following general groups. Initially in and designed American Welding Society also. Three categories: arc welding, resistance welding and oxy-fuel gas welding. Arc welding. Arc welding refers to a group of welding process in which heating of metal is accomplished by an electric arc. Some arc welding operation also apply pressure during the process and most utilize a filler metal. Resistance welding. Resistance welding achieves closeness using heat from electrical resistance to the flow of current passing between the fairing surface. What is the fairing surface? They will touch the two surfaces. Two parts hold together under pressure. Oxy-fuel gas welding. The joining process uses an oxy-fuel gas such as mixture of oxygen and acetylene to produce hot flame for melting the base metal and filler metal if one is used. So basic arc welding process, this is the before part, that's in two parts to be weld. This is the cross-sectional view of during welding. What is that? This is filler metal, this is molten pool, this is arc, this is electrode, this is shielding gas. Shielding gas is required to prevent the oxidation process because when excessive amount of heat is generated in a small area, oxidation may take place. If oxidation take place, then weld strength may be weaker. So to reduce that, coated or electrode generally used, or shielding gas is used for proper shielding. This is the end view of the after welding. Solid state welding. Solid state welding refer to joining process in which covalence result for application of pressure alone a combination of heat and pressure. If heat is used, the temperature in the process is below the melting point of the metal being welded. No filler metal is used. Representation welding process in the group include diffusion welding, another is friction welding. Diffusion welding, two surfaces are held under pressure to elevate temperature and the part coalesced by solid state diffusion. And friction welding, coalescence is achieved by the heat of friction between two surfaces. Ultrasonic welding is one another modern technique of welding process. Moderate pressure is applied between two parts and oscillation motion at ultrasonic frequency is used in a direction parallel to the contacting surface. The combination of normal and vibratory force results in shear stress that removes surface film and achieves more atomic bonding of the surface. Now I discuss so many types of joints. Very important thing. Butt joint, corner joint, lap joint, edge joint, etc. etc. Butt joint. In this joint, the parts in the same plane are joined their edges. This edge. Corner joint. The part in a corner joint from right angle are joined at the corner of the angle. Lap joint, that means overlap each other. The joint consists two overlapping parts. T joint, a T joint, one a part perpendicular to other, approximately shape of the letter is T. Edge joint, the parts in an edges joint are parallel with at least one of their edges in common, and the joint made of the common edges. This is the 5 types of joints. So thank you everybody. This is the basic introduction of welding process. So many things I will cover my upcoming lecture also.